Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a healthy and filling vegetable soup recipe for dinner. It's ideal to include in your weight loss journey. It's easy to make, healthy and nutrient dense, light on the stomach and easy to digest. So let's get started with the recipe. I'm heating my heavy bottomed kadai with 2 teaspoons wood pressed sesame oil. Sesame oil is also known as till oil or nallenna in Malayalam. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon finely chopped garlic. Give it a stir and lightly saute the garlic. Into this I'm adding in 3 to 4 spring onions finely chopped. I'm using the white part of the spring onions and lightly give it a stir. I'm adding in 3 broccoli florets finely chopped, 3 cauliflower florets finely chopped, 1 small carrot finely chopped and 5 beans finely chopped. And now I'm going to give this a good mix. Next I'm adding in sea salt as needed and give it a good mix. Once the vegetables are lightly sauteed, I'm adding in 2 cups of water, half teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder or as needed. Allow this to come to a boil. And once it starts to boil, cover and allow the vegetables to get cooked for 3 minutes on low to medium flame. While the vegetables are getting cooked, I'm making a slurry with arrowroot powder. You can also use tapioca powder instead. So into a bowl, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon arrowroot powder. I'm adding in some water and I'm giving this a good mix. It's exactly 3 minutes. At this stage, I'm adding in the slurry. The arrowroot powder will help the soup to lightly thicken, and this additional starch will also help to keep you feel fuller for a longer time. I'm using locally sourced arrowroot powder in this recipe and I'm going to allow this to come to a boil. And once it boils, the soup will start to thicken slightly. If you want more thicker soup, you can add in up to 2 tablespoons of arrowroot powder. Adding in half of a green chilli finely chopped. Now when you are making this for children, try to adjust green chilli as per their taste or you can totally omit it. A tiny bit of black pepper powder. And now I'm going to turn off the flame. And once the flame has been turned off, I'm adding in the green part of the spring onions. This will help to retain the crunch of the spring onions. And lastly, I'm squeezing in half a lemon. I have turned off the flame and my super healthy vegetable soup is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy vegetable soup and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.